Back to school readiness. Essential skills for success. Hi kids! It's almost time to go back to school, and we're here to help you get ready. Starting a new school year can be exciting and a little bit scary, but don't worry. We're going to talk about some essential skills that will help you succeed and make the most out of your school year. Let's get started. But before we proceed ahead, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Kids Academy. Organizational skills. First, let's talk about organizational skills. Being organized can help you keep track of your homework, projects, and important dates. One great way to stay organized is by using a planner or a calendar. You can write down your assignments and due dates so you don't forget anything. Another tip is to keep your school supplies neat and tidy. Use folders, binders, and labels to sort your papers and books. Having a clean and organized study space at home is also important. It helps you focus and get your work done more efficiently. Remember, staying organized can make your school life a lot easier. Time management. Next, let's talk about time management. Managing your time well means you can finish your homework, have time to play, and still get a good night's sleep. A great way to manage your time is by making a schedule. Plan out when you'll do your homework, take breaks, and have fun. It's important to start your homework early and not wait until the last minute. This way, you have enough time to do a good job and ask for help if you need it. Also, make sure to set aside some time to relax and do the things you enjoy. Good time management helps you balance schoolwork and free time, so you don't feel overwhelmed. Study skills. Now, let's talk about study skills. Good study habits can help you understand and remember what you learn in school. One effective study skill is to take good notes during class. Write down important points and review them later. Another helpful tip is to find a quiet place to study without distractions. Try to study at the same time each day to create a routine. You can also use tools like flashcards, diagrams, and mind maps to help you learn. And don't forget to take short breaks while studying to keep your mind fresh and focused. Practicing good study skills can help you do your best in school. Kids Academy, the perfect online learning platform. I want to share an amazing resource that can help you excel this school year. Please visit kidsacademy.com. It's an online learning platform designed for students in grades K-3. Kids Academy offers engaging educational content that can support your learning and help you improve your grades. Whether you need extra practice in math, reading, or any other subject, Kids Academy has interactive lessons and activities to make learning fun and effective. It's a great tool to help you prepare for the school year and stay ahead. Social skills. Being back at school also means making new friends and getting along with others. Good social skills are important for building friendships and working together with classmates. One key social skill is listening. When someone is talking, pay attention and show that you care about what they are saying. Another important skill is being kind and respectful. Treat others the way you want to be treated, and always use polite words like please and thank you if you ever have a disagreement with someone. Try to talk it out calmly and find a solution together. Remember, being a good friend and classmate makes school a more enjoyable place for everyone. Emotional readiness. Going back to school can bring up a lot of feelings, and that's perfectly normal. It's important to be emotionally ready for the new school year. One way to do this is by talking about your feelings with a parent, teacher, or friend. Sharing how you feel can help you feel better and more prepared. Another tip is to practice self-care. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating healthy meals, and doing activities that make you happy. It's also helpful to have a positive attitude and believe in yourself. Remember, it's okay to feel nervous or excited about going back to school. Taking care of your emotions helps you feel confident and ready to take on new challenges. Thank you for joining us today to learn about back-to-school readiness. Remember, being organized, managing your time well, practicing good study habits, having strong social skills, and taking care of your emotions are all important for success in school. With these skills, you'll be ready to have an amazing school year. Good luck, and have fun learning and making new friends. See you next time.
Hello, boys and girls. As you know, there are many places to go in the community. Children go to school to learn important things, such as reading and writing. Hi, Amelia.
Hi, welcome to my room.
Amelia is getting ready for school. She is thinking about what she needs.
Can you help me?
Look around Amelia's room. Do you see something that she can take to school? Yes! Amelia needs books for school.
I love books.
What else does she need? Should she take a plant to school? No. Can she take pencils instead? Yes! Amelia needs pencils to write at school. Great job!
These are my favorite pencils.
Where should Amelia put her books and pencils? Correct! She should put her books and pencils in her backpack.
Thank you. Let's go to school.
Thanks for helping. Goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe. Visit kidsacademy.com to play educational fun games and watch more videos.